This little gadget is Aqara Hub M3. It's like the brain of your smart home. It connects all your different smart devices like lights, locks, and sensors and lets them talk to each other. But before you rush out and buy one, let's take a closer look to see if it's the right fit for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. First impressions matter, right? And the Aqara Hub M3 certainly makes a good one. It's small and sleek, with a minimalist design that won't stick out like a sore thumb in your living room. Think of it as a stylish little box that blends in seamlessly with your decor. It's also compact, about the size of a hockey puck, so you can easily tuck it away on a shelf or behind your TV. Now, let's talk about Matter. Imagine a world where all your smart devices, regardless of brand, can work together in perfect harmony. That's the promise of Matter, a new smart home standard that aims to make everything compatible. The Aqara Hub M3 is one of the first smart home hubs to embrace this exciting technology, which means it's future-proof and ready for whatever the smart home world throws at it. However, there's a catch. Right now, Matter support is still limited. Only a few device types are currently compatible, but that's expected to change as more companies jump on the Matter bandwagon. If you're already using Aqara devices or other Zigbee-compatible gadgets, the Hub M3 is a powerhouse. Zigbee is like a special language that smart devices use to communicate, and the Hub M3 acts as a translator, allowing them to work together smoothly. It's like having a conductor leading an orchestra of smart devices, ensuring they all play in tune. With its strong Zigbee 3.0 radio, the Hub M3 can handle a large number of devices and provide a stable, long-range connection, even in larger homes. The Aqara Hub M3 plays nicely with Apple HomeKit, Apple's own smart home platform. This means you can easily control your Aqara devices using the familiar Home app on your iPhone or iPad, or even with Siri voice commands. It's as simple as saying, "Hey Siri, turn on the living room lights," and voila, your lights magically turn on. However, to unlock the full potential of the Aqara Hub M3, you'll need to use the Aqara app. This app gives you access to advanced automations and features that you won't find in HomeKit. Speaking of automations, the Aqara Hub M3 is a master at them. With the Aqara app, you can create elaborate scenes and routines to make your home truly smart. For example, you could set up a goodnight scene that turns off all the lights, locks the doors, and adjusts the thermostat when you go to bed. Or you could create a welcome home routine that turns on the lights and plays your favorite music when you arrive. The possibilities are endless, but be warned. If you're new to smart home automation, there might be a bit of a learning curve. The Aqara app can be a bit overwhelming at first, but with a little patience and experimentation, you'll be creating automations like a pro in no time. Surprisingly, the Aqara Hub M3 also doubles as a decent speaker and microphone. It can play music, podcasts, or even audiobooks with surprisingly good sound quality. And the built-in microphone lets you use voice commands to control your smart home, similar to how you'd use a smart speaker like Amazon Echo or Google Home. However, if you're an audiophile or frequently use voice commands, you might still want a dedicated smart speaker for the best experience. Additionally, the microphone might raise privacy concerns for some users, as it's always listening for voice commands. Remember those old-school devices that you control with a remote control? The Aqara Hub M3 has you covered there too. It comes with an IR blaster, which is like a universal remote control that can send infrared signals to your TV, air conditioner, or other IR-controlled devices. This means you can integrate them into your smart home and control them with the Aqara app or voice commands. It's like bringing your old devices into the 21st century. However, the IR blaster requires line of sight to work, so you'll need to place the Hub M3 in a spot where it can see your devices. Also, it might not work with all IR-controlled devices, so it's best to check compatibility before you buy.